Good morning guys. In this tutorial I have explained the frequently asked interview question and answer of Java Stream API. So let's continue. The first question is what is a Stream API? Java 8 provides a new additional package called java.util.stream. This package consists of class interfaces and enum to allow functional style operation on the elements. We can use stream API using the java.util.stream package. We can use a stream to filter, collect, print and convert from one data structure to another. Stream API do not store element. It is functional operation performed using stream do not modify its source. The next question is what is API? API is a application programming interface helps to communicate and data exchange between two software systems. API act as an interface between two applications and allow the two software system communicating with other one other. API is a collection of functions which can be executed by another software program. API work as take a request from the source, take that request to the database, fetch the request from database and return a response to the source. API take the request from the source users and gives the response without exposing the internal details. API act an abstraction. Example is Amazon APIs, Google Map APIs. Now next question is what is the difference between collection and stream? The main difference between a collection and stream is that collection contains its element but stream does not. The stream work on a view where elements are stored by collection for arrays, but unlike other views, any change made on the stream does not reflect the original collection. What does the filter method do when to do use it? Filter method is used to filter element that satisfy a certain condition that is specified using a predicate function. A predicate function is nothing but a function that takes an object and return a boolean. Example, if you have a list of integers and you want to list of even integers. Now next question is what is predicate interface in Java Stream? A predicate is a functional interface that represents a function which takes an object and return a boolean. It is used in several stream methods like filter, which use predicate to filter unwanted elements. The next question is what is the difference between map and flat map of stream API? The function you pass to the map operation return a single value. The function you pass a flat map operation return a stream of value. The flat map is a combination of map and flat operation. Map is used to transforming only, but flat map is used for transforming flat ring. Can next question is where can we convert an array into a string? Yes, you can use Java to transform an array into string. Uh, the class provides a factory method to make a string from an array, such as string.of, and passing the value which accept the variable parameters. Also, we can supply an array to it. So this is the code. So we have the uh, string array and we have used for the string.of for converting it to an string, and after that we have to print use for each. And now next question is what is the difference between stream API and collection API? Stream API it was introduced in Java 8 standard edition version. Collection APIs introduced in Java version 1.2. There is no use of iterator and split iterator. With the help of for each we can use the iterator and split iterator or iterator the element and perform an action on each item or elements. An infinite number of features can be stored and a countable number of elements can be stored. Consumption and iteration of an element from stream object can be done only once. Consumption and iteration of element from the collection object can be done multiple times. It is used of compute data. It is used to store data. The next question is what are the stateful and stateless intermediate operation of stream API. Stateful operation are skip, distinct, limit, store or rest. All other stream operation are stateless. When an operation requires retaining the information of the elements it has processed so far the process the current element, then it is stateful operation. What is the difference between stream find first and find any? As the name suggests, the find first method is used to find the first element from the stream, where find any method is used to find any elements from the stream. Find first is a predeterministic, where the find any is a non-deterministic. In programming, deterministic means the output is based on the input or initial state of the system. What is a parallel stream? How to convert in list into parallel stream? One of the prominent feature of Java 8 is parallel stream. It is meant of utilizing the various cores of processors. By defaulting, all stream operations are sequential in Java unless simplicity specify a parallel. Parallel streams are created in Java in two ways: calling the parallel method of sequential stream or call the parallel stream method on a collection. So let's finish this the frequently asked question. Thanks for watching and given time.